Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a citation on Google Docs. And for this we go to Tools, go to Citations, and then right here you will see the screen right here on the right side. Then select the APA style or whatever you want to make this citation, and then after this we click on Add Citation Source. Then you can choose here the source. Now for me book is fine. Then we do select an option. Now it's assessed by print. And then you can fill in here the ISBN, but I want to do this site manually, so I will do this. Now let's fill this one in. Just use my name, title help me out, publisher Tommy Flex, publish year 2024, edition 1, and this is not necessary for now. Then we do add citation source, and then if you can see just right here, it's standing right here. Now let's say if I'm writing down something, so I did it with my friend, and then we want to cite to this piece, then we can do cite, and then you can fill in the page numbers to cite. But if you already did this in your text and you want to create a reference page, then you click here with your cursor, insert references, and he automatically places here the references in the top, and then you have your reference just right here. So if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.